Hi, Penny.
I just kept turning it back on.
Penny, look here. Penelope. There she goes.
They took a pretty good nap. Yeah, why did they wake up? Oh no. That's alright. But I got up Alex first.
Right.
And the other one slept for another half hour. Wow.
Big surprise. Look where she went.
Sleeping a while when I left.
Big surprise, Penny.
We were just playing, so it was fun. Peas. Peas. I'll give her their food. Peas.
Don't enable her, babies. You're just fueling the problem. Penny, we are going to do an intervention soon about your problem with stealing other people's food.
She doesn't know. Not stealing.
Especially if they're offering it. Baby.